Hello, Dave. Thank you for agreeing to meet with me today. We are, as you can see, in the second testing phase of our prototype design for the interactive alarm clock. I'm Mansi and we represent Team 6. As you know from the testing brief, which I showed you earlier, it is an alarm clock that uses voice instead of traditional alarm sounds to wake you up.
Okay.
What you see in front of you is a high fidelity and interactive prototype. It will give you a feel of the actual website on the navigation and drop-down menus. Does it look familiar to you?
Yes.
We are going to have you take a look and carry out some basic tasks and ask for your feedback. You will be interacting with a desktop application, but the purpose for doing this is to get your thoughts on how to improve the usability of what will eventually be our website. After that, we'll also ask you some questions about observations, suggestions, and comments. And then you'll be working on the computer and performing the following three tasks with minimal assistance. Is that okay?
Yes.
Is there anything else you want to know before we start?
No.
Okay. So the first task I have for you is I'm going to ask you to create a new user account.
Okay. So I guess I go to register.
Yeah.
Email address. Okay. Time's up. Okay. And my zip code. Create account. Okay.
So great. You've completed the easy task, which is create an account. Was there anything which you want to say about it, or was it okay?
It didn't prompt me for any password restrictions, so I didn't know if right when typing the password that was right or wrong.
Okay.
There's no confirmation of the password,
Okay.
so I may have typed in something wrong, so I would not know.
Okay, we'll keep that in mind. I'm sure we can, add that when we do our next phase. Thank you. Then for the second task, sign in to your existing account and set a new alarm for 6 a.m.
Okay. So my email. Okay, why is that password
Yeah,
okay,
you can sign in.
sign in.
And you can set an alarm for 6 a.m. A new alarm.
A new alarm.
Yep.
Okay. And should I just ignore the existing one?
Yeah, this is just for this. As you can see, we just hard coded and just to show the user. We've not done full coding.
Okay. So add set alarm for 6 a.m. Okay. And you didn't say what days, right?
You can set it the day you like.
Okay, let's set it for Monday. And just alarm 1. And that's it?
Yep.
Hit save.
Okay. So was that okay to save?
Yes, but
yeah, we've not done any coding. This is just for user interface.
Okay, but I was just hoping for some confirmation. Yes, it was successfully set.
Okay.
That's fine.
Okay. Then I want you to go back in and sign in again into your existing account, edit the existing alarm to 4:45 and configure the weather channel service for this alarm. So you'll have to go in and sign in again.
Okay, so I can close this window, right?
Yeah. Okay, maybe I'll just start it up again for you and we'll keep that in feedback. Okay, so that's the third task, is to sign into your existing account, edit the existing alarm to 4:45 and configure the weather channel service for this alarm.
Okay, so I'll sign in. did the existing one.
Yeah.
Okay. So I'll just do edit
Yeah.
and change it to
4:45 p.m.
4:45 p.m. Okay.
Yeah.
Okay.
Yeah.
Save.
And I want you to edit that one, the 4:45 p.m. one, and add-ons, yeah, and add an existing weather channel service for this alarm.
Okay. Add-ons and the weather channel. And I guess my zip code and hit save.
Okay. Yeah, that was a third task. So, yeah, I know you have some feedback, so I'm going to ask you questions and you can probably tell me the feedback in those questions. What was your first impression on the website and the functions?
That was basic, but at least it was serving its function.
Okay. What did you find the most impressive feature of this application?
Um, that I could, I guess I found out later, but about all those add-ons,
Yeah.
the weather and maybe there are more options which we did not see yet, but that's an interesting
Okay.
piece.
And so I just want to know if we both like you understood what I'm trying to tell you. What do you think is the purpose of this site, from what I have told you?
I think the purpose is, so that you can just set up alarms and also have additional services with it.
Okay.
It's not just an alarm, it also can be extended to provide additional services.
Okay. And is there anything that confused you or you didn't like while you were, navigating through this?
Well, it just, I know you mentioned some of the functionality is not built yet.
Yeah.
So maybe around that I was a little confused, with the account,
Okay.
logging in, logging out. There's no log out option. Um, and, with the naming, the labels, and things like that.
Okay. Okay. Thank you so much for your time today. Your feedback is definitely going to be of great help to us and may inform the final design of our application. Have a great rest of your day, Dave. Thank you so much.
Okay, thank you.